Hello everyone, welcome to Search for Yields, fortnightly update from INR bonds. I'm Nikhil. In today's Search for Yields, I'll be discussing with you about the previous 1 month, the bonds which have been issued from 7.5% to 11% in both private placement and in the public debt IPO space as well. In the market update, we have seen 10-year GSEC yields are moving from 7% to 7.1% in the last 1 month, and as well as the corporate bonds more or less have been traded on the flat note, or we have seen few issuances like Indo Municipal and Cholamandalam bonds. We have seen the yield movement have been risen in the last 1 month. And in the private issuance, private placement space, we also seen a AA plus and AA. Few reissuances happened at a higher level than the previous issuance happened in the month of March. And coming back to the private placement space. Before that, I'll be requesting the financial advisors to sign up for the partner portal, where you can place bids and offers on behalf of your clients, and also use our partner portal app to onboard your clients and get the best quotes from the market, and which will help you to raise your assets under advisory. And if you're an investor, check out our QuickInvest app by INA Bonds, which is available on both App Store and Play Store. User app to get access to a curated list of bonds, which are curated as perfectly on the basis of the current market environment. Coming back to the topic, in this table, we have the AAA bonds which have issued in the last 1 month, which have a maturity of from 10 years and 5 years and 3 years. The whole yield curve of a AAA bonds for the shorter end, 2 to 3 years, is a little inverted, and post 3 years to 5 years and 10 years, the yield curve is flat, and which is why the few corporates have rushed to the markets and have been issuing the bonds with the longer tenure, and which are able to get the yields at a much better level than the shorter term issuances. Here we have HDB Financial Services issued 804 for a 3-year bond, and in similarity, in the secondary offers, we have Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services and Tata Capital Services, where you have bonds ranging from 7.9% to 8.1%. Also, the SBI PERP, which is the perpetual bond of SBI, we also seen the yields have been improved from 790 to 810 levels in the last 1 month. Interestingly, we have here is a Nexus Selectress, which also has come out with this equity IPO. They have issued two types of bonds. One is a 5-year and 3-year. 5-year is issued at 8%, and 3-year is issued at 7.86%. Coming to the little lower credit rating of AA and AA plus. Here we have a few NBFCs and a few banks also, and vehicle financing companies which have issued bonds for 10 years and 3 years and 5 years as well. Where TVS Credit, which is a subsidiary of TVS Motors, issued a bond which is linked to the repo rate, and plus on top of repo rate, will be paying you 190 basis point, that is 1.9% higher than repo rate. The maturity of the bond is June 2026. And the few IDFC First Bank, which is AA plus rated, and also issued 840 kind of a level. And in the secondary market for a NBFC of a ranging 3 years to 5 years, the bonds are quoted from 8.5% to 9.5%, depending on the quality of the credit. Example like Credit Access Grameen, which I have been speaking about, the maturity November 2024. That bond is being traded in 9%, 9.2, 9.3% in the last month. And in the Hinduja Leyland Finance, which is a vehicle finance company, has issued a 10-year bond at 9.5%. And in the secondary market, we had an offer for 2026 Hinduja Leyland at 9.6% in the previous. And coming a little lower on the credit rating thing, we have Indostar Capital AA minus at 995, and 5-Star Business Finance, which is a listed company as well, has issued 100 crores of bond issuance at 9.1%, which is maturing in 2026 as well. And Spandana Spurti, where there is a lot of news, the buzz is going on that the the venture capitalists are planning to sell the stake to S securities as well, where the bond that issued at 10%, which is maturing in 2025. And in the last 1 month, we have seen Spandana Spurti bonds are traded from 11% to 11.75 to 12%, which are maturing in 2024. However, these few bonds have a put option. And the clicks capital issued at 10.4% kind of a yield for a 2-year bond, and the bond is rated A. For more secondary market offers and other bond market updates, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and also download our apps. You can go to our website and choose on the contact us form to get us to get in touch with you, and if you have any investment request for in the bonds. And before you invest, please make sure that you have to understand the risk involved in investing in bonds. And these are linked to the market movements, and they have credit risk, liquidity risk, and interest rate risk. Check with your financial advisor before investing into bonds. Thank you for listening in. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not done so.